And the race is on. Wondrous win. Fast to begin rushing up. Security Joy. My Jopeng. Red Ransom Badra alongside Reyes Gold rushing up. Oroquieta. Peter's Denial racing in 7th position. 8-1 Bahamas. In between runners is Big Pocket third last alongside is entry number 6. And this one is Hot Gossip. And nearing the far turn, Security Joy by Alankena, followed by My Joping in second. Peter's Denial is now running in third by about 2 lengths. Oroquieta, Wondrous Win. Reyes Gold running 6 by Dral. Big Packet alongside Ransom 1 Bahamas. And entry number 5, No Peso now dance. Security Joy by Alankena, My Joping. Peter's Denial on the outside third. Reyes Gold fourth by Dral. Big Packet as they race the last 250. Security Joy by about 2 lengths now. My Jopeng Reyes Gold running by Dral. Peter's Denial. But Security Joy by about 3 lengths followed by My Jopeng Reyes Gold. Peter's Denial. Wondrous Win. No Peso Net Dance. And finally Security Joy. Reyes Gold. My Jopeng close, Wondrous Win, No Peso, No Dance for your Pentapecta. Then comes Peter's Denial, Dico Akalaing Big Packet,